Hey there, photographers! Ready to take your photo albums to the next level? Click the link in the description below to get your special offer on jAlbum. Alright, let's dive in. So, picture this. You've just returned from an epic photo shoot, and now you've got a treasure trove of stunning images. But how do you showcase them in a way that does justice to your art? Enter jAlbum. This nifty software makes creating beautiful photo albums a breeze. First off, jAlbum is all about simplicity. Whether you're a tech wizard or someone who thinks HTML is a type of sandwich, jAlbum has got you covered. You can drag and drop your photos, and within minutes, voila! You've got a slick, professional-looking album ready to share with the world. Now let's talk customization. jAlbum isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. You can tweak templates, customize skins, and even adjust the layout to fit your unique style. Want your album to look like a sleek magazine? Done! Prefer a minimalist vibe? Easy peasy. The options are endless. But wait, there's more. jAlbum also has built-in support for high-resolution images. So all those intricate details you captured, they'll shine through in your album without any loss of quality. And let's not forget about the integration with popular platforms like Flickr and Google Photos, making it super easy to pull in your images from various sources. One of the coolest features is the ability to add videos to your albums. Yep, you heard that right. Imagine combining your stunning stills with some dynamic video clips. It's like having a mini-movie of your photo shoot. jAlbum also offers robust sharing options. You can publish your albums directly to your website or share them via social media. There's even a built-in option to create a unique URL for your album, making it easy to share with clients, friends, and family. And guess what? If you're always on the go, jAlbum's got a mobile app too, so you can create and edit albums right from your phone or tablet. Alright folks, that's a wrap on this jAlbum review. Remember to click the link in the description below to grab your discount and start creating those stunning photo albums today. Happy snapping, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!